The Zimbabwean state media is once again been caught in the ZANU PF succession race by deliberately blacking out the acting president Constantino Chiwenga. Sanabina mashoko ayo anoshamisa panapa tinoti the state media blackout aiwa mutungamiri aiwa aripo panguva ino VP Chiwenga kuti bo subscribe or like or on the bell icon tipira munhu amwe mchinzi. This comes after the acting president was glaringly absent from the front pages of state-run media following his poignant address at the Heroes Acre commemorations yesterday. And this is not the first time that the former army boss has faced media blackout from the state-run papers. This omission, perceived as a direct affront to his authority and stature, is raising eyebrows amidst the already volatile political landscape. Delivering a solemn tribute as he paid respect to three national heroes, General Constantino Chiwenga's speech underscored the themes of unity and national pride. Yet, despite the significance of the occasion, the decision by the state media not to highlight his address raises serious questions about the respect and recognition for the country's leadership. Observers assert that this is snubbing points to deeper issues within the ruling party, particularly the ongoing struggle for influence among the top officials. Insiders revealed that the instructions to downgrade Chiwenga's coverage came directly from former Information Minister Monica Mchangwa, who seemingly holds sway over editorial decisions within the state media. Critics argue that such blatant disregard for Vice President is symptomatic of a larger context of political maneuvering and a rivalry within the government. General Chiwenga has long been a pivotal figure in Zimbabwe's political theater, particularly known for his role in the military intervention that led to the ousting of former President R.J. Mugabe. As Zimbabwe grapples with the challenges ranging from economic turmoil to calls for greater political accountability, the need for cohesive leadership is paramount. Highlights from Chiwenga's speech must not be overshadowed by media intricacies that threaten to erode public confidence in the government. Ndo mashoko anobuda chinogwa panapa. Ibudze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Apinda comment section medu budze mafunguro enyu. Musana subscribe or like.